Stop throwing your hard-earned cash at expensive Kling 3.0 subscriptions. I know exactly how frustrating it is to pay those insane monthly fees, running out of credits right when you get a good prompt just to generate a few decent AI videos. You do not need to waste your money on Kling 3.0 anymore, because Seedance 2.5 is officially here, and it is completely destroying the competition. Today, I am going to reveal exactly how you can use Seedance 2.5 completely for free with unlimited 30-second cinematic generations. Yes, you heard me correctly, 100% free and completely unlimited. And if that is not enough, later in this video, I am exposing a highly guarded secret backdoor method to unlock a Premium Pro subscription loaded with over 25,000 AI credits for literally $0. You need to pay close attention and act fast, because let's be real, AI developers and platform creators watch these videos too. They actively look for these loopholes, and they will patch this system very soon. So hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss out when I drop these time-sensitive tricks, and share this video with 2 to 4 of your creator friends immediately so they can grab these free credits before the window closes. You are watching Esmile AI, and we are diving straight into the tutorial right now. For our first unlimited method, we are using a platform called PixGen. Now, this specific website does not open natively in the United States, so you are going to need to fire up your virtual private network. Open your VPN of choice and explicitly connect your server to a China location. Once your connection is secured and masked, open up your browser and navigate directly to pixgen.com. I have placed a direct link down in the description for you. Now, because you are routing your connection all the way through a Chinese server, your internet speed might feel a tiny bit slower than usual, but do not worry. That is completely normal and required for this trick to work. When the home dashboard fully loads, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on that bright yellow sign up button. For this very first account, which will be your main master account, I highly recommend that you strictly click the Continue with Google option. It is incredibly important that you secure your main account with Google, because this is the exact account where we will be hoarding all of our unlimited referral credits, and we want to keep it absolutely safe. Once you log in, a premium subscription pop-up is going to immediately appear on your screen. Just click No Thanks. Instantly, you are rewarded with 30 free credits on your brand new dashboard just for signing up. Before I show you the crazy unlimited credit loop, let me show you how to properly optimize these initial credits. On the left side of your dashboard, click on the Model Selection tab and scroll through the options until you find Seedance 2.5 Latest. Go ahead and select it. By default, generating a standard 5-second video is going to require 30 of your credits, but here is the secret optimization trick. If you lower the resolution setting down from 720p to 480p, the generation cost drops dramatically to just 15 credits. This means your initial 30 sign-up credits can instantly generate 10 seconds of ultra-realistic video right out of the gate. But why would we stop at just 10 seconds when Seedance 2.5 is fully capable of generating seamless, native 30-second cinematic masterpieces? A full 30-second video generation costs exactly 90 credits, so we need to drastically boost our account balance. Here is exactly how we're going to break their system and get unlimited credits. Look at the top right of your screen and click on the glowing gift icon labeled Task Center. Scroll down the page until you see a section labeled Friend Boost. This specific section right here is our absolute goldmine. Click the yellow Start Boost button and securely copy your unique personal invite link to your clipboard. Pay very close attention to this next step, because this is where the unlimited magic happens. Go to your browser menu and open a completely private incognito window. Paste that exact invite link you just copied straight into the search bar and hit enter. The page will load and display a message showing that you have been invited to the platform. Click the large Sign Up button, but this time we're not using a Google account. Click the option that says Sign Up with Email. Now, open a regular browser tab and head over to any free email provider website. Enter any random username you want into the creation box, but you must strictly click the domain dropdown and select the email domain that ends specifically in r.edu.pl. Generate that custom email and copy it. go straight back over to your incognito window and paste that copied email address directly into the sign-up box. Type in a secure, random password and confidently hit the Sign Up with Email button. Another subscription pop-up will appear, so simply hit No Thanks and click the Open Task Center button. Boom! You have just successfully under 60 seconds. Now close that incognito window immediately. Go back to your regular browser and check your main master account dashboard. You will instantly see your friend boost progress bar jump to 1 out of 3 referrals successfully completed. And the absolute best part is you do not even need to wait for a verify code to your inbox. Now just go back to your free email provider website and hit the delete button to wipe that previous email address. Immediately generate a brand new one utilizing the exact same edu.pl domain. Open a fresh incognito window, paste your main invite link once again, and repeat the exact same process. I am making this video quickly for you guys today so I can get this information out before it is patched, so I am not going to waste your valuable time by showing all 3 signups on screen right now. But once you repeat this fast process just 3 times, you instantly unlock a massive lucrative reward. You get 100 credits from the Friend Boost campaign and an additional 50 credits from the platform's top milestone rewards, giving you 150 free credits in less than 2 minutes. With those 150 free credits, you can immediately generate a breathtaking 30-second Seedance 2.5 video without spending a single cent. And when you eventually run out of credits, you just log out of your main account, use your trusty email provider website to create a brand new master account, and start the infinite reward loop all over again. But do not go anywhere just yet, because I am about to show you an even more powerful website that gives you a premium pro subscription and 25,000 free credits with absolutely no VPN connection required. Open a new browser tab and navigate straight to studio.creativefabrica.com. This platform is fully accessible in the United States without any routing, and it is a massive creative playground for AI artists. Click on the purple Go Pro for Free button located in the top right corner and seamlessly continue with your verified Google account. To start generating your cinematic videos, hover your mouse over the Video tab on the left side menu and click on AI Video Generator. Look down at the bottom prompt chat box located at the bottom of the screen and search specifically for Seedance 2.5 in the available models drop-down list. Set your video aspect ratio to widescreen 16:9 and ensure your quality is dialed into 720p. Now, how exactly do we get those 25,000 premium generation credits completely for free? Look closely at the bottom left corner of your screen for a bright green button that prominently says, "Try for free, $0." Click that button right now. This is a highly exclusive special promotion, granting you a full 1-month pro tier trial for exactly $0. You just need to enter your standard card details or your PayPal information to successfully activate the trial period. The very moment you hit the activate button, 25,000 premium AI coins are instantly deposited straight into your active account balance. Now, listen to me very carefully because this is extremely important. This is a 30-day free promotional trial. You absolutely must go into your account billing settings and cancel this active subscription before the 30 days officially expire. Remove your payment method completely from the platform once you have securely claimed your massive coin balance. As long as you remember to cancel the trial before the billing period ends, you will not be charged a single penny, and you get to keep all the incredible benefits of the Pro tier for a full month. Let me show you how to effortlessly multiply those initial 25,000 coins into absolute millions. Once your premium trial is fully active, look at the top right header of your dashboard and click on the Earn Free Coins button. Securely copy your personal unique referral link to your clipboard. If you want to deeply exploit this generous reward system, open a completely different web browser entirely. Use a brand new, fresh email address to sign up through your own personal referral link and activate the $0 free trial on that newly created second account. The absolute exact second you successfully activate the trial on that dummy account, your main master account is hit with a colossal reward of 100,000 bonus coins. Every single time someone actively uses your link and starts a trial period, you get rewarded with 100,000 coins automatically. If you manage to do this just 10 times, the platform gives you an extra 250,000 bonus coins on top of your earnings. You can literally generate infinite premium AI videos for the rest of your creative life using this deeply powerful strategy without ever spending your hard-earned cash. These two unbelievable methods are currently the most powerful loopholes existing anywhere on the internet right now for Seedance 2.5, and they are working flawlessly today. But like I said at the beginning of this video, artificial intelligence companies and developers are always watching user activity closely, and they notoriously patch these valuable backdoors incredibly fast. So you need to stop watching this video and go forcefully execute these exact steps right this very second before they shut the entire system down for good. Make sure you share this video right now with at least 2 to 4 friends so they can take advantage of this before the developers close it up. All the necessary links you need are waiting for you right down in the description box below. If I just legitimately saved you hundreds of dollars on expensive monthly AI subscriptions, do me a huge favor and absolutely destroy that subscribe button right now so you never miss out on these highly guarded underground AI workflows. Let me know down in the comments section what visually insane cinematic videos you're actively creating with your free Seedance 2.5 access today. Keep creating amazing art, keep aggressively pushing the boundaries of technology, and I will see you in the next incredibly valuable tutorial.